Hello guys, this is Ankit and this is my first video on my YouTube channel. This is an introductory video which explains the layout of the program and the channel. Through this, I'll want to explain all of you guys whatever I intend to. As we all know, preparation of civil services are becoming very complex and competitive day by day due to varied factors. It is mainly due to increasing number of competitors and lack of clarity on resources and direction to be followed. This is where our channel Civils Fellow wants to fill the gap. We would like to help the aspirants by providing simple and lucid explanation of complex topics of different and relevant subject matter. We would also help aspirant in understanding interlinkages which are very complex with different subjects. For example, understanding concepts of economics with their relationships in the current affairs. Civils Fellow would help you in better understanding different areas of geography, economics, history, ethics, current affairs and other relevant topics which are very frequently asked in civil services exam. With this, let us embark on the beautiful journey of preparation with Civils Fellow. Thanks a lot.